Ang napula ko lang kay Barbie, hindi siya napapagod. Kasi alas 2 na ng madaling araw, hindi siya napapagod kasi lilipat sa set namin si Richard eh. So,
Ayun!
hindi siya napapagod talaga, kaya maganda talaga pala pag gumawa ka ng isang project. Mayroong alam mo na, parang excited sila magkita, di ba? Di ba?
Anong ginagawa, Direk Bobo? Todo mo na.
Like sabi ko, ang tagal pa ba? Anong oras na ba? Darating na ako si Richard, darating na. Kaya tatawagan ko na, okay na. Dahil inintay na lang namin yung eksena namin with Richard. So, parang kanina gusto kong sumingit, pero natutuwa ako kay Barbie talagang yung energy niya, hindi nagbabago eh. Grabe eh. Kaya, panoorin nyo, masarap. Ang saya ng samahan namin at saka kina Direk, maraming salamat. Ibang klase si Direk. Pagka ini-explain niya yung nangyayari, talagang andiin niya ng hawak niya sa script. Kasi pag nag-explain sa amin si Direk, naiiyak pa si Direk. Naiiyak pa si Direk. Kaya,
Full on, no? Emotions.
dapat talaga pag-aralan ko itong
Right.
So, yan. Lahat kayong nanonood sa akin, nariwala kayo sa akin, panoorin po niyo ito.
Nice. Okay, Barbie, Chard, reaction lang sa shinare ni Direk Bobot na ang energy mo daw ay walang humpay dahil...
Akala ko reaction dun sa napanood kanina.
Hindi! Nag-move on na tayo, Jay.
Nag-move on na tayo.
Chard.
Mataas naman talaga energy ko sa lahat, palagi. Yeah.
Minsan napapataas ko yung energy niya, minsan blood pressure.
Alright, okay. Ang tanong na lang, kailan ba ito mapapanood?
Wait, meron pa ako.
Ay, sorry.
Sobrang saya ko
Okay.
kasi si Mama, umuwi siya, galing Bicol, lumipad siya ng isang araw para lang mapanood with all of us. So,
Kanina.
sobrang happy ako na napanood siya ng mom ko and sobrang happy yung mom ko. And love na love ko yung mom ko, nandito siya.
Yay!
Thank you! I love you!
She's so proud of you.
Super, thank you.
Diba? Okay, Chard, kailan ba ito mapapanood? Ang Blood versus Judy.
Ano na po yan? Sa Lunes na po yan. Dahil ba? Hindi na ba? Hindi na. Ano na? Pwede na sabihin na. Nasanay na kami nung isang araw eh. So, sa April 6 na po ito.
That's next Monday.
That's next Monday. So, tama ko. So,
Just right after
April 6.
Just
April
right
6.
after Easter.
Yes.
Diba?
Tapos April 4 on Netflix.
I won.
And I won. So,
April 3 sa...
April 3 sa Netflix. April...
Ha?
Oh, sige.
Rewind.
Kayo na lang.
Or habang kayo ay nagbabakasyon, di ba? Nito.
Yan ang big reveal.
That's the big question.
Kami pa.
Okay.
Actually, yan din po tinatanong.
Meron
Ano
tayong
ako?
panonoorin.
Simula ngayong April 6,
This is big news. Big.
dahan-dahan ang tensyon.
Patuloy ang pagtaas ng gun-related violence at crime.
Di pa rin tinigil ang sindikato sa pagbabagsak ng maraming masadamit na malapit sa atin. Hindi. Magsisimula na ang teleserye Gigising sa Pamalayan Mo gabi-gabi. Maya pa kami namumuhay dito, pero kinukulang kami. Blood versus Duty. Simula April 6 na 8 p.m.
Oh my God, prime time.
Mas matitinding emosyon. Push na hindi mo alam ang kwento.
Panahon na para maningin.
The Alibi. Sa bago nitong oras, 8:45 p.m. Ito ang Gabi ng Pinoy. Ang ating prime time. Bida.
Yeah!
We announced.
RJ!
Excited.
Yeah, we're very excited. We're very honored to get the first time slot after TV Patrol. Yes, so we're very thankful. Actually, I just want to bow down and be grateful because, nobody has touched this time slot in a very long time. And, it's such an honor for us, the whole team, to be here right now. I think the stars aligned for us to be here. It wasn't part of the grand plan, but we ended up here today. And I'm just very thankful, very grateful to Tita Cory, to ABS-CBN, JRB Group, everybody behind JRB Group, is Julie, thank you for your patience, your understanding, and your perseverance for guiding us.
Bro, pwede mo pasalamatan si Ate Marisa.
Si Ate Marisa!
Ate Marisa, we love you.
Tsaka si Dante, Ate Maya,
Maya, shout out to you.
Maya, we love
Kasi
you.
Pasko,
Ate
kinukulit
Jonah.
ko sila kahit Pasko, New
Whaler,
Year.
Jared,
Yeah, so
Dirk
lahat,
Ram,
Dirk
Kuya
Ram.
Gab. Yes.
Kasi kahit Pasko, nung Pasko, kinukulit ko.
Kiana!
Kahit Pasko eh. So, maraming salamat sa buong team. Sa buong team, thank you so much.
We love you.
Wheeler, Jonah!
Reaction check, 8 o'clock.
8 p.m. You know, honestly, so sobrang naniniwala ako sa produkto kahit saan po kami ilagay. You know, I'm very blessed just to be part of this project, and excited ako na ikwento namin yung mensahe ng proyektong ito. Pinaghirapan po ng maraming tao. And just by seeing this, and alam na po natin yung time slot, it motivates me even more para pagbutihan palalo. Kasi now the responsibility is even bigger, and I'm really one of the kind of person who takes challenges straight on. So, and I wouldn't do it without this team. So, sobrang happy at excited. Sana po ay abangan yung Blood versus Judy, April 6, 8 p.m. po yan.
Alright. So ano ang mga challenges ng 8 p.m. time slot?
Ang challenges
alam ko
niya.
na to. Alam ko na kung saan pupunta to.
Ano? Anong
Ganun
challenges?
si Chard na lang sasagot yun.
Anong challenges ng 8 p.m. time slot?
Munti ka na nga namin i-take over yung TV Patrol, pero, joke lang. Hindi, syempre maraming challenges dyan dahil you're going to spearhead the prime time. You know, you're going to
Kick it off.
kick it off, kickstart it, you know, ignite it. And
Nice.
that's our game plan here. Yeah, and hopefully, magustuhan po ng audience natin. Subaybayan po ninyo simula umpisa. Para sa inyo po yan.
We are excited. Wala, girl. Your role here feels very grounded yet intense. How did you prepare physically and emotionally for your characters? We saw the videos na nagka-stunt training kayo. So, was that easy? Was that
The physical training, well, for me, that's my procedure. Is every time I enter or sign up for a project, I really prepare myself physically, mentally, and spiritually. Kasi it's not going to be easy.
Yeah.
You know, all of this that we're doing now, the things that the end product that you see, grabe ang sakripisyo at pagod at hirap na pinagdadaanan namin. But we do it with passion. We do it with love for our craft, love for our audience. And more than the physical preparation, I think it's really the mindset. You know, you have to be able to collaborate. You can't just always get what you want, you know, and you're working with a great team. You know, you're working with a great team, and yeah, you just have to really prepare for your character. That's my personal preparation.
Right. Jacob.
Well, may isang eksena ako na hinahabol ko yung character ni Richard na isang malaking kutsilyo ako. Nakahubad ako noon, so nag-diet ako. Tapos, nung nag-cut, sabi sa akin ni Richard, nag-diet ka na? Sabi ko, nag-diet ako. Take note, madaling araw po namin kinunan yun.
Hindi kumain the whole day.
Fasting.
Totoo?
Ang alo kasi mga dinner time namin kukunan. Medyo
Intense.
pamadaling araw na. Sabi ko, oh my
Ano yung
God.
kailangan? Rip ka?
Medyo, syempre, I mean, I'm a moral warrior, di ba? Gusto natin medyo katotohanan.
Yun yung physicalization
Yung
niya.
physicality naman. But tama sa amin, Chard, yung physicality medyo madali na sa amin. And we have a good guide with Erwin Lagley na kakaibang fight moves na makikita nyo in the series. It was more, really trying to get into the character, kung sino ba talaga siya, what does he represent, gano'n ko lang yung responsibility niya sa mga, I mean, I think this is one of the first times in TV, and Philippine TV,